Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you have seen last week's video, you have seen that I went to the Efteling together with some friends, and I also bought some special magical eggs from a chicken and a duck. And also a blacksmith made me some mystery pins, and I also bought some mystery boxes. So they've been on my table. I went there on Sunday and now it's Friday. So they were on my table for a couple of days, and finally today is the day that we're going to unbox them. So I made a little setup over there, so let's start with the unboxing. Okay, so this is the little setup that I made, and here all the way in the back we have the, let me get one, the Fata Morgana series Efteling mystery pins. And here on the side we have, like, one is from the chicken and one is from the duck. I don't know which one anymore. And the gold ones in the middle, I got 4. And they are from the blacksmith, or as we call them in Dutch, het Smidje. And I think I am going to start with the white chicken eggs. Okay, so these were €2 a piece, and you can get something from the fairy tale forest or something from Yoki and Yeti or something like that. So let's see what's inside, and it is little red, very creepy Little Red Riding Hood. Oh my god, why? This was €2. Why is she so freaking creepy? Okay, so we will put hers laying down on a pillow. Okay, and the next one, I'm really scared. The next one I'm going to get... okay, that's a coincidence. It's the big bad wolf. But I think this one is from the 7 Goats story. With his little tongue out because he's hungry. This one is less creepy, strangely enough. Okay, so now I'm going for one from the blacksmith. And these were also €2 a piece. So, and there are 4 different pins in this series, and this is the 8th series. So before this one, they had 7 different series, and I can pop them up the screen here because there are some very awesome ones. And I really like that they, from the beginning, they looked vintage, and they still do. So I'm very curious what I am going to get. Oh no. In this one, is there... okay. And the pin... ooh, I think this one is called the Butler. I really love the look of this one. Look at this illustration. This is so cool. Here the back. Oh, there's nothing on the back. Just very simple. We're so happy with this one. Okay, so I cannot wait for the second one. And the second one is going to be... oh, it's a different one. Okay, so I don't know the names, but I will put them in the screen somewhere. Oh, this one is also really cool. Okay, so I know there's a big chance that I will get duplicates, but a lot of people are trading them. So let's see what the next one is going to be. Oh yeah, it's the Butler again. Not too mad about that. Okay, so for the last one, I hope this is not going to be another duplicate, but we will see. So the last one we got is... yay, not a duplicate! It's a man in some kind of sheets. I don't know who he is, but the vintage style of this pin is so cool. Okay, so now I am really happy because I only have 1 duplicate, so that means that I can trade 1 Butler against the one that I'm missing. And now we are going to the Fata Morgana mystery pins. So these were €6 a piece, and I've got a little 5% discount because I'm a pass holder. And in this Fata Morgana series there are 7 different ones. So I bought 4 this time, so maybe next time I can get some more. And all of the characters on this pin are from the Fata Morgana attraction. So I am really curious about that. Hello, where are you? Ooh, okay, so the first one we got. Ooh, oh, it's the belly dancer. Ooh, whoa. I really love the design and the illustration. Look at this border. I really love this. Oh, and here on the back it says Efteling and a little code. Ooh. On to the second one. These are way too much fun, so these are going to cost me a lot of money. I already know that. Okay, I'm not going to do this the right way, because this one... really? Oh my god. Okay. Sorry for the mess. This is really bad. But for this one, ooh, it is going to be... Ooh, Sultan. Whoa, this is cool. Okay, second to last. Hopefully this will open up a little bit better than the last one. Please, please open up a little bit better. The glue on these things. Okay, yay. So, yeah. For the third one, I got the belly dancer. But again, I can trade this in the park, and I got a tip that if you put these on your jacket or something and other people can see it, then maybe they will approach you to trade with them. So next time I'm going to do that. Okay, last one. So hopefully for this one, it's not going to be a duplicate of something I already have here. Ooh. So for the last pin I've got... Ah, no! Really? Hello, Sultan. Okay, so these are the pins that I got, and I got very lucky with these on the bottom, because I only have one duplicate and there are 4 different ones. So I only have to trade one and then done. For the Fata Morgana series, yeah, I still think they're really beautiful, but yeah, 2 duplicates. So I'm going to trade them in the park the next time I'm going to be there. Hopefully I can find someone that want to trade. It's not as easy in Disney, because in Disney you have cast members and everything, and you can see very clearly who you can trade with. But in the Efteling park it's going to be a little bit more difficult, I think. But we're just going to try. Now, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you liked this little unboxing of the pins video and the creepy little figurines. But if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to also subscribe to my channel, because it helps my channel out a lot. And if you see me in the park, just ask me about the duplicates and maybe we can trade. So hopefully I will see you next time. So I have a little... No, stay, no. Ooh, I think this is the... yeah. Even on camera you can see this glue.